Hello everyone, I am Pawan Kumar from Devanahalli. I would like to thank Dr. G.V. Ramana sir for creating such a wonderful organization for students, that is Superstar Students and Parents. This organization is mainly focused on students because the students' contribution is very important in our society. Superstar Students and Parents offers study modules like I Love Studies concept. It is very helpful to improve our studies, skills, and moreover practical knowledge. It means why, where, what, and how to study the concepts. Superstar Students and Parents will provide a health supplement to keep a better and healthy family in our society. It is very helpful to create opportunities for a lot of people. I sincerely believe Superstar Students and Parents will have great potential to the students. If you are looking learn and earn and also involved in business concept, then you have to come to the right place. It is the best platform to those students. Let us come and involve to see your growth, success, and fulfilling your dreams. I kindly thank you for all my mentors. Thank you.